equipment, tools, materials, system knowledge. Good morning, candidates. I'm Jocelyn Brillantes, your accredited competency assessor for events management services NC3. Okay, so at this point, I would like to acknowledge first the presence of Ms. Tan, our tester representative, and Ms. Marian Padre, okay, the AC manager, and our processing officer, Sir Elmer Lucero. Good morning, ma'am, and good morning, sir. Okay, don't worry about their presence. They are not here to assess you, but to check and oversee if the competency assessment we are conducting today is in accordance with TESDA's prescribed competency assessment methodology and procedure. Okay. Before I start the orientation, I would like to check your attendance. As I call your name, please present your ID and admission slip, and then affix your signature in the attendance sheet. Candidate number 1, may I have your ID and admission slip? Okay, thank you. Please sign in our attendance sheet. Very good. Candidate number 2, may I have your ID and admission slip? And, okay, thank you. Please also sign in our attendance sheet. Very good. So now may I remind you that I have your accomplished application form and also your self-assessment guide. Okay, so this is an indication that you have already acquired the knowledge and you can perform the skills required for all the units of competency enumerated under our qualifications, which is Events and Management Services, NC3. Okay, alright then, today I am going to administer your competency assessment for Events Management NC3. Okay, so the purpose of this assessment is to measure the level of your competency as whether you are competent or not yet competent. So the qualifications of units or our competencies to be assessed, there are basic, core, and common. For events management, NC3, these are the core competencies. So we have plan and develop event proposal, or develop an event concept. We also have develop event program, select event venue and site, develop and update event industry knowledge, provide an on-site event management services. We have manage contractors for indoors events, develop and update knowledge or protocols, and then so the tasks that you are going to perform today are participating in the implementation and monitoring of clients' event proposal, specifically that is preparing an event plan. Okay, so to measure and determine your underpinning knowledge and skills for preparing an event plan, the assessment methods that we will use are written test, demonstration, with oral question. For your personal needs, the restrooms are located down the hall on your left, while the cafeteria is within the compound. However, during the assessment, you are not allowed to leave the assessment center premises. Okay, so if you are having difficulties in reading and understanding the given instructions, feel free to call my attention because I am willing to translate the instructions in verbal form or to your local dialect. If there's any pregnant women or persons with disability here, just let me know in order to adjust for your special needs. Also for those who need medical attention or taking maintenance, for hypertension, asthma, diabetes, and etc., please see to it to take your medicine on time. Also for those who need medical attendance, again, and then for religion concerns, okay, so we do respect your culture and beliefs. Just let me know if you need to perform some rituals as part of your daily activities. If you have any questions or clarifications, before the start of the assessment, you may raise your hand for me to assist you. Okay? So, but once the assessment has started, please refrain from asking questions as they will no longer be allowed. In case you have any questions regarding the assessment result, okay, you have the right to make an appeal. You can submit your written appeal to the TESDA provincial office where the assessment center and assessor are accredited. If you have passed assessment and you are competent, you can claim your national certificate at the provincial office 5 working days after your application for the issuance of national certificate. If found to be not yet competent after the assessment, don't worry because you can be assessed anytime at your own convenience. In case the reassessment is full qualification, you have to undergo the whole assessment process. On the other hand, if you are competent in some units of the competencies, the reassessment will only focus on the units of competencies that you were found to be not yet competent. If you fail 2 consecutive assessments, you are highly advised to take a refresher course before applying for the assessment. During the actual assessment, please observe safety precautions as you perform the different tasks. In case of an accident, please call my attention immediately so that proper first aid will be administered. If you need a first aid kit, we have a first aid cabinet located at the trainer's resource area. Okay, so with regards to the assessment result, we observe strict confidentiality and uphold integrity of the assessment process. The results are available only to authorized personnel and to the institution where you have your training. In relation to this, the assessment package is in a secured place to guarantee, of course, its integrity. Please do refrain from giving any form of information that took place into the assessment process. Do you have any question? Okay. If you have no questions or clarifications, I am now going to distribute to you, specific instructions. Please read them carefully. If you have questions about it, please ask it now. I need to be able to translate it in English to your local dialect if you need assistance. I will be more than willing to assist you. Get one and pass. So for your demonstration, you are required to prepare an event plan. Okay? So again, do you have any questions? Very good. So everybody must be ready by now. Let us start the assessment proper. Okay, first we have our written exam. So your written exam is a true or false, multiple choice, and identification type of test. This is a 30-item test. I will give you 45 minutes for your written exam. Do you have any question? Okay, you may start now. Okay, may I collect the paper? Time's up. Okay, so now let's proceed to the demonstration and followed by oral questioning in the assessment area. So candidate number 1 in our assessment area. Okay. So please read again your specific instruction. You are tasked to perform an event management plan for 60 minutes. Okay? So if you have any question, you ask now because once assessment has started, you can no longer ask any question. Please be reminded to observe safety precaution at all times while performing the demonstration. Any question? Okay, very good. If none, you may now begin. Time's up. Okay, thank you. Please go back in the holding area and wait for the oral questioning. And please call candidate number 2. Okay, candidate number 2. Okay, please read again your specific instruction. You are tasked to perform an event portfolio for 60 minutes. Okay, so if you have any question, you ask now because once the assessment has started, you can no longer ask ask any question. Please be reminded to observe safety precautions at all times and by performing the demonstration. Okay? Any question? If none, you may begin now. Time's up. Okay? Thank you. Please go back in the holding area and wait for the oral questioning. So now let us proceed to the oral questioning. Candidate number 1, please come over and have a seat. Question number 1. What are some ways you can stay updated with the latest trends in the events industry?
Attending industry seminars, reading event magazines or plans.
Okay. Question number 2. What safety measures should you consider when planning an event?
Public emergency exit for safety and
Okay. Thank you. Please call candidate number 2 and proceed to our holding area and wait for the feedbacking and result. Candidate number 2. Okay, please come over and have a seat. Question number 1. What should you include in a contingency plan for an event?
numerous alternative venues, contracts, emergency communication.
Okay. Question number 2. What are your main responsibilities as part of the event management team?
Tasks that need support in logistic and management service.
Okay. Thank you. Please proceed to our holding area and wait for the feedbacking and result. Okay. For feedbacking, candidate number 1, please be seated. Okay. How was the assessment and what do you think of your performance? Okay, so based on your written exam, you've got 28 out of 30. And for your oral questioning, you've got 9 out of 10. For your demonstration naman, you are confident in performing your task to perform creating a legal compliance checklist for an event satisfactorily. So you just need to improve on organizational skills by preparing the tools, materials, and equipment before the task begin. Nevertheless, I found you competent for this qualification. Will you please affix your signature in your rating sheet as well as in your competency assessment results, summary or course? The assessment center manager will sign your course and she will give it to you in the holding area. Before you go back in the holding area, I would like to inform you on how to request your claim for your national certificate. It will be emailed 2 to 3 days through your email account. Okay? Please fill up the request form. Okay, so again, congratulations. You may now proceed to the holding area. Candidate number 2, please be seated. Yes, so how was the assessment? What can you say about your performance? Okay, so based on your written exam, you've got 40 out of 30. And your oral questioning, you've got 4 out of 10. For your demonstration, you adhere commendably to OHS, but you are not be able to create an event plan. For that reason, you are not yet competent on this national assessment. However, you can be reassessed anytime at your convenience. Do you have any question? Okay, so will you affix your signature in your rating sheet as well as in your competency assessment result, summary or course? The assessment center manager will sign your course and she will give it to you in the holding area. You may now proceed to the holding area. Okay, so the AC manager or the processing officer will conduct a post-evaluation to evaluate the performance of the assessor. You will be given an assessor performance evaluation sheet. Don't worry because this will not affect the outcome of your assessment. Thank you. Okay, so assessment center manager, the assessment is over. I am presenting to you the complete test package of the events management services NC3. 9 out of 10 got our competent result and 1 not yet competent. So thank you very much, everyone.